Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lady Utami Pane. My name 48. Drunk information, Siladex or cook and flu. Indication, Siladex cook and flu is used to relieve symptoms of number one, common cold and influenza or flu. Number 2, cook with runny or stuffy nose. Number 3, mild fever, sore throat, and sneezing. Doses, adult and children over 12 years old. Number 1, 10 ml every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Children 6 to 12 years old. Number 2, 5 ml every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Children under 6 years old. And number 3, consult a doctor before us. Contraindication, don't not ask this medicine if you number 1 are allergic to paracetamol, phenylephrine or chlorpheniramine, and have a high blood pressure or severe heart disease, and are taking other medicine containing paracetamol or cold and flu drugs, and are pregnant or breastfeeding unless prescribed by a doctor. Side effect, people may experience mild side effects such as drowsiness, dry mouth, dizziness, nausea or stomach discomfort, and allergy reaction. If severe reaction occur, stop using the medicine and contact a doctor. Storage, store below 20 derajat Celsius. Keep tightly closed and away for direct sunlight, and keep out of reach of children.